What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Going Volt here, coming at you with my first video in over a week. Really sorry about the inactivity recently, guys. My internet has been really bad recently. We've been having a lot of problems with upload speed, so we're trying to get people to come out and fix it. I don't know why, but it'll take about 20 to 25 hours to upload a 4 to 5 minute video, so that is the reason I haven't been uploading. So sorry about that. That should be getting fixed soon. Just wanted to come at you with this quick pack opening variety video. These packs have been getting recorded and collected since about the beginning of the Christmas promo, basically. There's some game changer packs, as you're seeing, and then they have the vet pack, pro pack, a lot of badge packs, and then at the end we have 2 seasoned veteran packs and then a large Quicksell. It is my first large Quicksell I ever did, and probably, for a spoiler alert, the last one I'm ever going to do, unless I pull those gold badges in packs. But yeah, guys, I don't really have much to talk about. I'm going to start to be more active on this channel soon, once my internet gets fixed. So that being said, I'm just going to let the video play and the music roll out. Peace.
Really, nigga?